Hey, welcome back to From the Tech Desk by RC Experts here at Horizon Hobby. I'm your host, Brad Brooker. Today we shall remove the main shell from your Athearn GP Locomotive. So before we start, we need a few things. You'll need a small Phillips screwdriver, a pair of tweezers. Now I'll show you how to get started. So before we get started, we strongly suggest using something soft or a piece of foam like you see here to cradle your locomotive while working on it. Let's go and flip your locomotive upside down. You're going to remove the coupler screw in front and rear of the locomotive. Your tweezers will come in handy here as well. Next, go ahead and remove your couplers. Once you have those removed, go and lift your locomotive out. You're going to gently lift the shell off the locomotive. Again, nice and easy. Now when it comes time to put the shell back on, again, you want to put it on nice and easy. You don't want to pinch any of the wires. So make sure all the wires are out of the way. And you're going to push down softly on the shell. Once you have it in place, go and put it back in the piece of foam you have. Install your couplers. Also, when installing your couplers, you want to make sure the cut wire does not get caught up in your coupler. Put your screws back in. When putting in your screws, you don't want to over tighten them. Well, there you go. That's how you take your shell off your GP locomotive. Thanks again for watching. Stay tuned for more tips, tricks, and other health videos from your RC experts here at Horizon Hobby.